got speed lines on, so they go crazy when characters are just standing still. Get a standing still. Aiden just has like no reaction here when Gojo flies up. I don't like that. Oh wait. You can also see Aiden's just standing there. I fucking wished. Yeah. I know he has strike pose, so you could have kept Aiden's like frozen in order to keep his hits and sprint. Okay, so yeah, another one of this standing fucking story. Yeah, Gojo after launching that blue just stands here. Well, I mean, he blocks it. Aiden's launches, goes into tacky stance, and then just waits there. I don't know what the fuck this is why this is happening. This like doubling. I like the blue. Random counters. Wait, was he standing? No, he was landing. Oh, he was definitely standing there, though. Nope. Oh, no, I saw that shit. Yep. Okay, if you wanted to make it look like a speed blitz like Newton's Stieg attack, Gojo should not be facing him. You should have flipped weight. Okay, wait. The fuck happened? Gojo jumps back, fucking whiffs an attack. Projectile. Aiden's dodges it. Then he uses his red to reverse it. Fucking misses it. Aiden's just waits there. Oh wait, that's a dash back. That's not even a fucking combo. Okay, yeah, again, if you wanted to make like a teleport behind you moment, you should have Gojo flip away. Again, with the fucking standing there and taking the hit. If you want it to be a combo, you gotta keep them in the hurt play. Nice save though. Again. I think you could have cut that clip. Yeah. Damn. That's a cool looking combo. Nice thing. If only I could fucking hear it. That was alright.